figures out.
Hey, so we're gonna be showing you how to make access. Like, that's a really sucks the way it is. You should do
No,
slime.
I'm making slime.
No glue, just stuff that we find
in the bathroom.
in the bathroom.
Like, I know it's kind of weird.
You're like, ew, why do you want to find it in the bathroom? Like, nasty. But we found some really good stuff. We found Tide in our bathroom. Like,
a lot.
how do you find Tide in your bathroom?
Honestly, we decided to do this stuff because our bathroom's a mess.
Yes, very.
And like we have a lot of
So
stuff
we
in
thought this works.
My YouTube channel, and they're gonna be in my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, and they're gonna be.
This is her first video. It's not our first video. So we're gonna show her. So
Just
she is new to YouTube, so that's why we're helping her. This is Kata. I'm Kira.
This is like really good.
It's her new
Wait, let's
YouTube
just put it
channel.
right here and show them how
Okay.
to do bathroom.
So we got a plate. I don't
I'm
know
seeing
why
the
there was a plate in our
charging.
bathroom.
I'm gonna see if it's
Honestly.
charging.
And
It is. You can't do that.
we have this stuff. It's really.
It's really cool. It's bodybuilding.
It's
And
like
then we found some shower.
where we could probably make.
It smells really freaking good. Toothpaste,
Like,
obviously.
look
it's in
at that. Like
Yes, it's good.
it's like glue, like thick glue.
Cleanser, lotion,
Yes.
So we're gonna try to use this.
shaving cream,
Yes.
And
shaving
cream.
perfume,
Perfume to make it smell good.
Skin so soft.
To make
I'm
it,
also
like,
not good at making
soft
slime
and
It
stuff.
smells really good.
There's like stuff on here.
And
I love it.
then we're gonna look and see if we have any more stuff.
Yes. I think we do. I don't know, because I'm not good at making slime and y'all are. So, yeah.
So first, what we're going to add is
Y'all have face stuff right now. Y'all have really good face painting. Yes.
so first what we're going to add is this really thick.
Really cool, really pretty, just shine.
So it make it like metallic
There's a lot of stuff.
it doesn't come out very fast.
And we also have,
because it's like
this
glue.
stuff
It's
over
thick
here.
and sticky.
we also have this stuff over here. It's a mess and it's on the
We have
counter.
cornstarch.
But we can't pick it up until we
Let's
put
not
it in
add
there.
shaving cream because it's like gonna take away the metallic.
Yes.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Let's add just a little bit.
Not yet.
You want perfume?
Just be
Oh my
Dude,
god.
she just squirted
Why
a
did you
chain.
do that?
No, not yet.
Do you want perfume?
We just need a squirt.
Do you want perfume?
So we're probably gonna make a little bitty batch.
Yes.
Put the lid back on
So
the cute
show them how
page.
much we have. We have like
It's
that.
like an itty batch, like metallic. Little bitty batch.
It looks like it's clumping together already. Honestly. Unfortunately, we don't have clear Tide, so that really sucks.
And then we have
Shaving cream on your arm.
lotion. Yeah. Because lotion makes it stretchy, and why not add lotion? Lotion's awesome. Lotion's
Oh my gosh, it's already like. Did you see those clumps?
Here, stop.
Show for the camera.
Stop.
Like, did you see it clumping?
If we lost her into the... I put like just enough.
Oh,
We
there we
actually
go.
want to mix it with this like.
It's kind of low. Sorry if it's not
If you
good.
have to touch it, y'all.
Touch it, yeah.
Don't be scared. And then you just want to add the
Sorry.
tiniest bit of shower gel.
It's about to
Not drop
Don't-
it in the
Don't
slime
drop it in the slime.
like somebody did.
Like you. Not like somebody. You know who.
You should only have, it depends how much time you have is how much you actually need.
I hate this. It's not freaking working. Sorry.
Were you able to sleep when you did I was so surprised. I'm like, I'm too cool for him. How am I dating?
Same thing with Ellen.
I'm dating.
Yeah.
Wait, same thing with Ellen.
Where did the
with a few
Activator go.
Oh yeah, it's done. Oh yeah, we were trying to make some slime on the
It's already
floor.
like clumping together, which is really cool.
We were trying to make
I don't
slime
think
on the
this
floor,
will
so
work.
that was on the
Basically,
floor.
like, not working.
Just got on my fingers. But you know what did work was the this with this. So, whoa.
That was too much.
Whoa. Go get that bottle with Sprite bottle, but with stuff in it because there's the last bit of glue in it, so it might work.
Not allowed. Wait, we're not allowed.
It's in her bedroom.
Come on in the bathroom. Soon it will, so it
But it
feels.
came out of the bathroom.
Yes, came out of the bathroom and put it in the room and put it back. Like a second.
And I think we're okay because we don't want to waste it, gosh.
This got chewed up by my dog.
Oh,
And also her.
nail glue in our bathroom.
Yeah.
But my puppy
Go
did
get
it.
that thing.
My puppy's kind of a wild dog.
Okay.
And right here, like a
So you're
scratch
gonna add
is
the
on my arm.
least and the tiniest. Like,
That's from Tucker. I got a lot of scratches from Tucker. A whole lot. Especially when I stopped fighting with him.
and we have this thing. It's called Activator. It's for your nails, and we just forgot it was in here.
Get out.
Just press on activator.
Okay.
But
We're trying not to
not
put-
gonna brush it on.
We're trying not to put stuff in the camera since it's our first video. We don't know what to do.
I know.
So, yeah, but you don't know how to.
You just want to add about 3 drops if you have this
I
brush on.
put stuff on my feet.
It
and
will
it's coming
stick.
off. It's coming off my feet that I put on.
Let's add some of this.
That's
I already did. I already did it. Make it worse. It's coming
It's
together. It's coming together. Though.
Oh my gosh, it's actually coming together.
Dude, it's
I
actually
do
coming
tell
together. We
myself
just need
that.
to mix it some more.
This
Oh my gosh,
is.
keep mixing.
Like maybe this one will be able to succeed. Y'all just need to keep mixing because as y'all can see, if y'all are doing it, following along with me, it's coming to
Add a little bit of this.
tiniest bit.
But if y'all have this in your bathroom, it will
Dude,
be.
that was not the tiniest bit. Now it's watery.
If your bathroom's really clean, I'm sorry.
Wait, no, it's comfy right there.
Make it messy and then use all the stuff
Don't
and then
make
put
it
up.
messy.
Don't make it messy. I don't want y'all to like get in trouble.
Yeah.
But like if
But-
it's already messy, or like
Yeah.
if you have a room that's messy.
Yes.
just
You can do it in your room, anywhere that is messy, in your house, like maybe your attic, because our attic's really messy, but you don't have any stuff to make slime, probably, because we haven't.
We might have glue up there.
Yeah.
Do you have glue like school glue?
Probably up there.
After like 2 years, we are just now having rats in our garage and no rats.
We are.
Rat.
Oh my gosh, it's coming.
We used to have snakes in our garage.
No, we didn't.
No, we did. I see dead snakes in there.
It was just
I
like
have a
adding
pet
snakes.
snake.
Yeah, but it's babies.
Add a tiny bit of this.
No, there's babies
No.
in ours.
Wait, what you add to make it like clump up like that?
Let's add more material. I heard if you show you it.
It's not really making
That will make it.
super good.
Honestly.
We just wasted it.
8 minutes and 40 seconds.
No, it's something.
That's how long the video
You
is
should
right now.
keep mixing.
And this choker, someone from church made it
Go
for
get
me
some
for my
eyeshadow.
birthday. It was on
It
October
works.
16th. See if I can put it up here again.
Open that. I hate your slide.
I'm trying to put it up here again, but without it falling. No, it doesn't work. Okay, there we go. We'll have to keep it right there.
That
I
was
have to
gonna be
banana
the
say talk to you.
It's like brown, but it's like glitter, so it's really pretty. I
Have
just say it's coming together.
After we do this, we can show them our puppy in the next video in like a second after my phone charges because it's about to die and not working.
not
Super
done.
good. We'll do a part.
It's not done. We
two.
haven't done activator that much yet. No, don't.
I have to do a part 2.
Like, if you mix it really fast, it'll probably do it.
It's really, really fast. And also, my sister Kira, she has a boyfriend. She just got today because she broke up with him.
You really could hear that. It's coming.
Oh my gosh, it's coming together.
Yay! And 4 people like me.
Oh my gosh, we
Yeah, 4
actually
people
made
like
it.
me. One of them wants
I don't think
wants to
anybody
marry
has
me.
discovered
One
that.
kid don't like me like it's
Do you think anybody has discovered that?
One just
Wait, no, it's coming together. Do you think anybody has discovered this?
I really don't think we're the first, but maybe, like, because there's a lot of people in the world.
Yeah.
Maybe.
There's 7 million people in the world. Now I'm still single.
Yeah, I'm
still single. You're not single.
Shut up.
I just want to know if how there's 7 million, not yet, people in the world, and I'm still single.
That's in this.
Not too much. Not
Oh
my.
gosh.
Well, now it's actually gonna come together like a latte.
latte.
It looks like a latte.
Yeah, it kind of does.
So it's coming together a lot. I never thought anybody had discovered.
I'm gonna go get on my computer real quick.
Okay, that's it. That's it.
Lots of more.
And then now I think we're just gonna have to not dig in yet. It's really sticky.
Let's
Maybe
add
if we
some
just keep-
oil.
No, that would make it liquidy.
Let's add all of this.
I'm sorry if that felt
But it's coming. So we're going to put it in
Go get me this.
Very old.
I'm going to add the rest
All of these.
This
Slowly.
very old. We could put it in a special. Do you have one? Oh crap, it's like liquid now. Oh my gosh, it's literally like glue. Literally touch it. It's like glue now. You just need a water activator for this thing. You know, it's got those signs, so you just need a water activator.
Now we're gonna add some shaving cream because like glue's already shaving cream to glue.
You know, it's awesome. So boy, why not add that shaving cream?
Maybe if we let it
Sit, yeah.